Hey there, this video demonstrates a display from a plane I bought back then in 2009. It's called Jantar, has a wingspan of 2.4 meters and is a semi-scale model, one of the first I had, and I was having some experience with it that I haven't had before. You can see that I prefer to fly this model at high speed, and there is a reason for that. I bought it from Länger.de for some reasonable money, not much. Technical data is wingspan 2.4 meters. Airfoil is the Selig 2130, and wing load I calculated myself with 58 grams per square centimeter. This is quite not so unusual values for a model like this, but it is a semi-scale model and it was very known for stalling, especially if you fly circles. It became very rare because of this, I guess, because most people wouldn't like to fly it anymore. With me, I spent lots of things to improve the flight behavior, and now I'm satisfied with that. First things you always try is to play around with the AWD, which is in this case 2.8 degrees, and you can change the center of gravity and try to improve it by this way. It didn't help. Second thing is I reduced weight so that you can fly narrower circles in thermals, which was what I wanted to do with this model. All of this didn't help, so one day I got the idea to look at the airfoil. I compared the airfoil with a plot of the original airfoil and found out there's a big difference in the area of the leading edge. So I replaced simply the leading edge of the wing, and this changed the flight behavior dramatically. So now I can fly it in narrow circles in thermals. So if you still have one of these planes, they look quite nice. Try it. Bye.